So it's just after a week since I had my surgery, and I feel like I have turned a corner now. I'm able to deal with the pain a lot better now. I'm not getting as much pain, and I'm getting around really, really well on my crutches. So that's good. The negative point is that my left leg has swollen up so badly, which I think I talked about in one of my earlier videos. It's now still swollen, and my foot looks like an elephant's foot. It's awful. I'm not quite sure how to address that. I keep trying to put my foot up as much as I can, but I'm not actually allowed to lay with anything under my leg that displaces the hip position, and I'm not allowed to raise my left leg, so I'm kind of stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea here. I will, if it carries on, contact the hospital again, see if there's anything else I can be doing. But that's about it. I'm able to get in and out of bed more easily now as well. And I do think I've now reached a turning point, which I'm so pleased about, because to start with, I didn't think I was ever going to get there. It felt like a mountain that I was never going to climb to the top of, but there. But that's the latest. I can't believe that it was a whole week ago that I had it done. It's gone so quickly, and I look forward to the next week or so trying to reduce my strong painkillers. I do not want to become addicted, and being a little bit more mobile as well. Thanks for watching.